Hello and welcome to a P11D Organiser tutorial, a quick and easy way to become a P11D expert. We will be covering these topics in today's video. Please sit back, relax, and let us do the explaining.
The Purge facility within the P11D Organiser will help you stay compliant with your GDPR commitments by only maintaining the data that you need. Most customers only keep what is known as 6+1 years, normally considered the current tax year, and 6 complete previous years. Once logged into the current tax year, you would select Purge Data from the admin menu, which will then open the purging screen. The date display towards the lower left corner will show all the years your system has available for purging. You can see that I have data going back to 2015. The number to the right will display the total number of years that will be retained after the purge is complete. By default, that is set to 7. If we now hit the Purge button on the right-hand side, the system will pop up a dialog showing the years that are about to be deleted. Once you are happy to continue, click the Yes button and the system will commence the process. Depending on the amount of data in your system for each year, this may take a few minutes to complete. Please note that there is no undo function when purging data, so ensure you are comfortable with the process and the effects before commencing the process. Once complete, we can then exit the routine. As this deals with valuable data, this is a user-selectable routine that is only run on request. We would therefore advise making a decision about purging data each time a new tax year is opened. Please also note that this process only deletes the data the P11D Organiser holds. If you have made backups or security downloads, you will need to deal with those separately.
Thank you for watching. For more information, you can go to our support website, support.p11dorganiser.co.uk.